This is the evolution of rocket, which we students of class 9th B did it. We took around 1.5 months to complete this whole evolution of rocket project.
What did you learn by performing this model?
We divided 10 students into groups and each one of them made a rocket. So we learned a lot about the rocket evolution and the mechanism used in this and the purpose the rockets were launched into the space.
Good afternoon, sir. This is actually the evolution of rocket from the year 1942 to the latest one, 2023. And the V2 was the first rocket which was launched in 1942 by the Germany country. And the next was the R7 which was launched in the year 1957 by the Russia. And the next one was the Proton launched in the year 1965 by the Russia. And next one is the Saturn V by the US which was launched in the year 1967. And the next is the CZ2F by the China which was launched in the year 1970. And next is the Space Shuttle which was launched in the year 1981 by the US country. And next is the Ariane 5 which was launched by the European in the year 1996. And next is the Delta Heavy 5 which was launched by US in the year 2004. And next is the GSLV Mk3 which was launched in 2017 by the India. And the last is the Starship which was launched by US in the year 2023. My name is Dish and I am studying in 9th standard B section.
This is Mohit Kumar studying in 9th B.
I am Chirag Bihar studying in 9th B.
My name is Samajit Vivek. I am studying in 9th B.
This is Mithun studying in 9th B.
My name is Monish studying in 9th B.
I am Tejas B studying in 9th B.
What do you learn from this by making the models?
We learnt a lot about the evolution of rockets and the mechanism used in each and every rocket and the evolution of the mechanism of rockets. From the first, in the V2, there were not many missiles and not much technology were used. Whereas in the current model of SpaceX, it is very modernized. So we learned about the evolution of rockets as said before. And it will help us in the future if we join any space companies and we'll basically have an idea of what the rockets are and why are they launched into and so. Thank you.
Among these, which one is the modest one?
To be honest, the GSLV Mk3 and the Starships look modernized, but the Starship launched in 2023 by the SpaceX is the modernized one, and it is into the future. So this is the modernized one, the SpaceX.
Who is your favorite astronaut and who is your favorite scientist?
I idolize Neil Armstrong as my favorite astronaut, and my favorite scientist is India's own APJ Abdul Kalam sir.